So you can easily make out collections inside of Bridge. But what you can also do is make smart collections so that images that meet a certain criteria can be made into a collection easily. So to do that, I can simply go around over here and you can see that new collection is an option over here on the left hand side and new smart collection is an option as well. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that I can rename this out according to how I want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say Smart Collection Example right here, just like this. And I can look in a particular folder. So I'm just going to go around and look in the images folder itself. So now I can go ahead and set the criteria that I want. Let's say, for example, I can simply go around and set the rating. And let's say, for example, is a rating is greater than or equal to let's say, for example, greater than or equal to 1 right here should be added in. You can add in other criteria as well. So let's say, for example, file name that contains a certain thing. Let's say, for example, so I'm just going to go around and say B right here, just like this. Let's just go around and file name that contains, let's say, D right here, let's say, for example, or a particular content right here. So I'm just going to go around and you can add in criteria as you want. Let me just go around and delete this criteria right here and this one as well. So now you can also match if any criteria are met or if all criteria are met right here. You can also include all subfolders and include non-index files as well, but maybe slow right here. But it includes all of the files that are there in the folder. So I'm setting this criteria and I'm going to click on find right here. And once you do that, you can see that it found out 2 images that fits that particular criteria right here. And you can see that inside this particular collection, you can see that there's 3 stars, which is higher than the 1 star right, 1 star mark right that we set, and both of them contains the B as letter, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and edit it out right here, just like this. And let's say I'm going to go around and add in D, and I'm going to say if any criteria are met. So I'm just going to go around over here, any criteria, click on find right here, and accordingly you can see that the other images meeting any of those criteria are added in this particular smart collection. So you can go around and click and you can see that these are the criteria that are actually added in. So that is how you can utilize smart collections inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.